Listen, if you don't understand land documents in Nigeria, you're not buying land, you're gambling with your money. One of the biggest reasons people lose land or get stuck with property they can't use in Nigeria is because they don't understand documentation. Many buyers think once they pay and collect receipts, the land is theirs. Unfortunately, that is not how real estate works. In this video, I'm going to explain the key land ownership and property documents in Nigeria in very simple terms, so you understand what each document means, when it is needed, and why it matters before you buy land or property. We have two different types of documentation for landed properties: key ownership or title documents and transactional documents used for evidence of sale. Now let's explain key ownership or title documents. These documents show who truly owns the land and whether the government recognizes that ownership. Number one, Certificate of Occupancy. A certificate of occupancy, commonly called a CFO, is one of the most recognized land titles in Nigeria. It is issued by the state government and gives the holder the legal right to occupy and use a piece of land, usually for a period of 99 years. What this means in simple terms is that the government acknowledges you as the lawful occupier of the land. A land with a genuine CFO is generally considered secure, but it still must be verified because fake CFO documents exist. Also, having a CFO does not mean that the land can be transferred freely without approval. That is where governor's consent comes in. Number two, Deed of Conveyance. A deed of conveyance is a legal document that proves ownership transfer from one person to another. In simple terms, it shows that the seller has handed over all rights to the buyer. This document contains the names of the buyer, the seller, and the land description and the agreed price. Once the land is sold, this document should be registered to protect the buyer's ownership. Without a deed of conveyance, you may struggle to prove ownership in the future. Number three, Gazette or Excision. Excision and Gazette relates to land that were once under government acquisition. Excision means the government has officially released that land back to the original owners or community. A gazette is a formal government publication that confirms the excision and proves detailed information about the land released. Land with gazette is considered safer than land with excision alone because it provides stronger government backing. However, it is important to confirm that the gazette covers the exact land you are buying. Number four, land certificate. A land certificate is an older land title used before the Land Act of 1978. It was issued for registered freehold or leasehold land. While still valid, it has largely been replaced by the Certificate of Occupancy. If a land has a land of certificate, it is important to verify its authenticity and confirm its status under current laws. 5. The survey plan. A survey plan shows the exact location, size, and boundaries of the land. It also helps confirm whether the land falls under government acquisition. Buying land without a survey is very risky because you cannot confirm what you're actually buying. Number 6, power of attorney. A power of attorney allows someone to act on behalf of the landowner in transactions. This document must be carefully reviewed to confirm its scope and validity. 7. Deed of gift. A deed of gift is used when land is transferred without payment, such as from parents to children. Even though no money is exchanged, proper documentation is still required to avoid future disputes. 8. Deed of mortgage or lease. A deed of mortgage is used when a land is used as collateral for loans. A deed of lease grants temporary rights to use land for a specified period. These documents do not transfer ownership permanently. Lastly, grant of probate or letter of administration. When a landowner dies, these documents allow legal transfer of property to beneficiaries. Without them, selling or transferring inherited land is risky and often illegal. Understanding land documents is not optional in Nigeria, it is protection. The more you understand, the less likely you are to make costly mistakes. If you need help verifying documents or buying safe property, reach out to professionals. Like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone planning to buy land. Thank you.